everyone. Welcome to Beyond Horizons. Today, let's deep dive into Python. Python coding is very essential. So I am opening the shell and now I open a new file. And today we will learn about how to give or create a variable. Okay, and I'm gonna save it. Save the file. You save it on your desktop wherever you want to. And I will save it as variable class 1. It depends upon you. However you want to name it, it's up to you. Okay, so now what I have to do is create a variable. So before that, what is a variable? Variable is nothing but these are some memory boxes in the computer. So you store the data. For example, in the kitchen, you have seen your mama storing different things in different compartments, right? Or boxes. So for example, dal, rice, sugar, salt, and all of these. So similar to this, these are memory boxes which are saved, okay, in computer's memory. And for defining a variable, it is very easy. For example, I'm gonna add two numbers, okay? So how will I add two numbers? So I need number 1 and number 2, whatever the number is. So I'm gonna name it as number 1 equal to whatever the number might be. For example, I'm keeping it very simple, number 12, okay? Then I press enter. Now I go into the second number, so number 2, which is equal to maybe very easy to add another 12, or maybe 12 might be easy, so I will add another 10 maybe. It's much more easier. And then what I have to do, so this 12 is saved in number 1 and this 10 is saved as number 2. Okay, there is a correction. I'll repeat once again. 12 is stored as number 1 and 10 is saved as number 2. Okay, and this number 1 and number 2 are memory boxes. So these are variable boxes. Okay, now I want to add these numbers. So I will write sum, which is add. So I'm writing it sum equal to, I have to add these numbers. So basically, I won't directly put 12 plus 10. Instead, I will put the location where it is saved. So it is number 1 plus number 2. Okay. This is not enough. We have done the summation. Okay. So the addition. So after this, what are we supposed to do? We have to print it to see the result, right? So I will say print, and I will open the brackets and write the addition of two numbers is, I will put a comma, I will put a double quotation, or you can even put addition of two numbers, okay, and you put a colon, you close the brackets, put a comma. This is separating a string with that of a variable. So your variable name is sum, because the addition of two numbers are saved there. Okay, this is as simple as ever that you can see. Maybe I will write it like this. It is much more easier. And now you run it. So you save it and you run. The addition of two numbers is 22. The answer is available. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to Beyond Horizons. Bye.